soup. This is going to be a zucchini soup. I am going to go ahead and add some these shredded carrots that we had left over, because why not? We have 1 shredded zucchini. We'll need 1/2 cup of finely diced onion, about a teaspoon of garlic, minced. We have some fresh herbs here. I'm going to use some fresh thyme. We're going to chop up some chives. Got a little sprig of dill here we're going to add to that. So let's get started. A little oil, olive oil in the bottom of the pan. We're going to use 1 whole carton of chicken stock and some lemon zest. This is the lemon zest from 1 whole lemon. I am not browning these onions. I am just going to saute them until they're translucent. Quarter of a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of garlic. My burner is set on medium. One shredded zucchini. A shredded carrot. I'm going to strip some of this thyme off the stems and add it. I just really want the leaves. Don't really want the stems in there. The stems can be a little woody. Okay, I have about 2 teaspoons of fresh herbs in there. Squeeze in a little lemon juice. There goes our chicken broth. The whole thing. We're going to bring that up to a simmer. I am going to chop up some of these chives. And I'm not going to actually cook this in the soup. This is going to go on the top when the soup is done. We don't want to cook all the flavor away. Give it a taste, see how it's coming along. Very nice, light, refreshing soup for summertime.